Run? You want me to go down and run?
No.
You said running. You want me to go down and run? What? What do you want?
Go behind.
What?
Go behind the pickup truck.
Why?
No, go behind.
Hey, there's a mineral water tricycle. How are we going to get past that mineral water tricycle?
Then go the side.
Go to the side?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Because we can't lose them. There, go. That's when we're gonna go to the side. Run!
Oh no, no, we're gonna lose them.
Oh no!
Where's Bruce?
Oh no!
I told ya.
Oh no, where's Bruce?
Oh no! I can't see Bruce! Oh, there!
There, run!
Faster! Drive fast! Run ka dyan.
Yan na, okay na.
Okay na.
If we lost Bruce, then we only have Natisha.
How can you go to school? How can daddy go to office? Dito pala tayo kay Lola Josie, Loyola.
Kuya, dapat nai-EX na lang. Nai-EX.
Open exit?
Dito ka napunta?
Hindi dito.
Ayun pala yung nightmares, oh. Yung haunted house sa Traxel. Hindi ka naman mahilig dyan.
Oo. Mahihinig lang ako sa putyo-putyo.
Ano yung takutan? Hindi ka naman mahilig sa takutan.
Oo nga, sa putyo-putyo nga. Pumasok kaya kami dun sa may barangay, di ba?
Dun sa ano? Pumasok kayo sa Star City, di ba?
Oo.
Loko. Luma. Kiss mommy.
Ganyan na pala kiss eh.
Wow, there's a police.
Ganyan, bilisan.
To the back. We're going to the crossing. Going to be a police again.
What do you wanna eat?
Balik ka naman pa-deliver. Nakakamakdo lang natin.
God. Mamaya pag ito na lang.